today we want to talk about real estate. We want to talk about real estate. Real estate is a vast and profitable industry with many different business models. Here are some ideas for real estate business and strategies to make grow them. First, property flipping. What is property flipping? You buy a low-valued house, renovate it, then later sell it at high price, making profit. That is called property flipping. That's a good idea for real estate investor. If you want to invest in any real estate properties, must do property flipping. The second one, rental property investment. Rental property investment. Purchase residential or commercial properties for long-term rental income. Consider short-term rental. What did I say? Consider short-term rentals. Rental property investment can help you make profit in real estate business. Purchase residential or commercial properties, then rent them away to people so that you can make money or profit to your business or to grow your brand as a real estate investor. The third one, real estate development. Develop raw land into residential or commercial property. What do I say? Go buy a land, develop it to residential or commercial purposes, so you can rent it out to people for business meeting or for residential purposes. That is what I'm saying. The fourth one, real estate wholesaling. Find a distressed property, secure them under a contract and sell the contract to investor. Build relationship with motivated sellers and cash buyers. What did I say? Real estate wholesaling. Go buy a land, develop it under contractor, then sell the contract to the investors to make profit or money. Fifth, real estate brokerage. Start a real estate agent to help buyers and sellers. Offer value-added services like home staging or virtual tour. Start real estate brokerage. Open your agents to buyers or sellers so that they can sell their property without any issues, so you can make profit or money to your business. Sixth one, property management. This is very easy. You can manage properties for others. You can manage residential, commercial, or handling payments from tenants, evacuating them if they refuse to pay, maintaining legally maintaining the houses or the properties. Seventh one and the last one, real estate investment trust. Build a pool where investors can throw their money into. Small investors like us, build a REITs program so that you can have so many investors in your real estate company. Thank you for watching.